ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome for your very first time. In today's video, I'm bringing you an after dark extreme clean with me. The reason I'm cleaning so late is because today was such a busy day. I was trying to get my new couch scheduled for delivery. Shiloh didn't have school because our school systems got hacked, so of course she's been not on her online schooling, so I haven't really had time to clean because I've been occupying her. Also, happy St. Patrick's Day. By the time you're watching this, it will be Wednesday, obviously. I hope you guys enjoy the holiday. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell. So let's get cleaning. The first place I will be tackling is my living room. As you can see, it was very, very messy. There was clutter all over the coffee table. The couch is once again destroyed. I am so excited to be sharing with you that I will be getting a new couch in the next couple weeks. Well, the delivery is set for May 25th. Well, we'll see. It took 5 months for my grandma to get her new couch. But anyway, I'm so excited that I'll be getting a brand new couch. I have been doing, I can't talk, a ton of decorating in my living room and just getting new things to kind of just spruce it up a bit. So if you have any ideas for any kind of decor that you think might look nice, just post them down in the comments below.
I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end. Got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again. Again and again and again and again. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
You You can kind of see Shiloh's little leprechaun trap on the bottom right corner of the screen right now. She is determined to catch him this year. He will be leaving her chocolate coins as well as gold dollars. I left her about 4. She was so excited in the morning to find them, but a bit disappointed that the leprechaun got away. Now, as some of you know, I mentioned in my last video, or the one before that, I don't remember, that I am very Irish, so St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite holidays. I'm looking forward to cooking some vegetarian corned beef and cabbage, as well as like some shepherd's pie. I had to think of the name there for a second. My brain is like going blank. But let me know, guys, how you guys celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Do you listen to Irish music? Do you make a special dinner? What kind of crafts do you have your kids do? Let me know down in the comments below.
Doesn't wait, you can see and waste away. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the. I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you at the end.
The dining room was a bit of a mess. As you can see, there was just stuff all over the table. Shiloh's school stuff was out. I was trying to log her in at one point just to see if we can see some of her homework assignments. With school being down for the last 3 or 4 days, it has been really hard on her because her routine has kind of gotten messed up. Also, she's been on screens more often than usual just because she likes to play Minecraft and watch YouTube. Only kids YouTube though. I've restricted all of her screens for anyone who's gonna come at me for that. But anyway, I am gonna just clean up this dining room. I wanted to decorate it for St. Patrick's Day. I did order like groceries and decorations from Target at 9:30 at night. Unfortunately, they had nothing that I wanted, and the cookies that I ordered were pastel, when in the picture they were supposed to be green. So that was a bit disappointing, but Shiloh liked that there were cookies just to have in the morning anyways. So with that being said, I'm just gonna wipe down the table, stop talking, and let you guys finish up this video. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in this extreme after dark clean with me. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you guys consider subscribing as well as hitting the bell and the thumbs up button down below. If you guys can also leave me some comments down below, I would really appreciate any support. The more you comment, the more you interact with my videos, the more YouTube will pick up my videos, and hopefully one day I will make it into the algorithm. So make sure you leave me some amazing comments. But I look forward to seeing you guys all in the comments down below, as well as in my video on Sunday at 10 a.m. Bye!
This is something